Today I will share with you BIB packaging. This interesting and efficient form of liquid packaging. Today, we will introduce 4 types of BIB packaging. Milkshake bag. This cold chain milk bag benefits from the application of high-quality plastic particles capable of refrigerating at -25 degrees Celsius, still maintain good impact resistance and rubbing resistance. Whether it is the shipment of plastic boxes or cartons, can be easily controlled. Cold chain milk bag. It can provide high-quality cold chain storage and transportation for enterprises and more cost-effective packaging models. Oil bag. This is a pull-ring nozzle edible oil bag, suitable for hot irrigation at 85 to 90 degrees Celsius. The pull-ring nozzle can be used repeatedly, perfectly match the systematic needs of the supply chain of modern chain catering enterprises. In terms of thin film materials, application of metallocene material provides superior film mechanical properties and anti-cracking properties, make your BIB products safe for long-distance transportation. Syrup bag. This is a thimble valve nylon bag, tailored for carbonated syrup. During the entire process of production, storage, transportation, and use, all weather strong packaging protection for syrup products. Connection to the lineage muscle by a thimble valve. Fresh and safe carbonated drinks for end-point consumers. In addition, the design of the diversion greatly improve the utilization rate of product content. It can increase by 5 to 8 percentage points. Provide customers with better packaging economy solutions. Sterile bag. This one is an aluminized sterile bag. The nozzle is a disposable nozzle. Aluminized film isolates oxygen, moisture, and light. Provide escort for the long shelf life of room temperature juice dairy products. Application of EVA high barrier material. It can provide a super high barrier for high sensitive products. We can provide you with 20-liter sterile bag for use in commercial establishments. It can also produce 220-liter large sterile bags used in industrial establishments, widely used in herbal tea concentrate, as well as large packaging and industrial storage of fruit juices and edible oils. Provide customers with efficient and transportation guaranteed supply chain solutions.